Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube lecture series. Today we are going to start with the chapter concurrency control. Very first thing we need to know is what is concurrent execution of transaction. Concurrent transaction or execution includes multiple transactions which are executed concurrently or simultaneously in the system. So basically here concurrent transaction or concurrent execution of the transaction is nothing but there are multiple transactions which are executed simultaneously in the system. Okay. So this is what called as concurrent execution of transaction. What does concurrency control means? A concurrency control is to ensure that when multiple transactions run simultaneously, then it must be same as if the transaction executed serially means one after the other. Okay? If the transactions are executed serially, that means what T1 is executed first, then after completion of T1, then T2 is executed, right? And totally, if the transaction T1 is working on the data item, suppose over here A, right? After the execution, the value of data item is suppose 1000, okay? 1000. Then, if the transactions run concurrently, right? If the transactions run concurrently, then too it must ensure that A value is going to remain as it is. A is equals to 1000. So this is what the concept of concurrency control. Okay. Now there are various ways to ensure concurrency control, which we are going to see one by one. Okay. Now let's see ensuring serializability by locks. Okay. The one way to ensure serializability in a database is if one transaction is accessing a data item, no other transaction can modify or alter that data item. The most common method used to implement this requirement is to allow a transaction to access a data item only if it is concurrently holding a lock